What's poppin', y'all? Back at it. Channel. So I'm gonna show you how to go from ugly eyebrows to baby eyebrows, you know what I'm saying? And you'll just see it in the video, you know? I'm gonna go from this to this. Alright, so let's get into the video. You guys are gonna be bad bitches. So today, I'm going to be perming my coochie hair looking eyebrows. You know what I'm saying? Like, what is that? No, that ain't it. So I got this from Family Dollar. It's called America's Best. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're just gonna see how this works. I've permed my eyebrows before, but like that was when I was younger when I had perm in my hair. But today we're gonna do it again, you know? Cause I'm tired of like my eyebrows looking the way it looks. Like I make it go this way and it goes that way. Like no. So this is what it comes with. This thing over here. This is the cream relaxer with the activator, deep conditioner, and shampoo. I'm not gonna use the conditioner shampoo because it's my eyebrows, not my hair, you know what I'm saying? And we have the instructions, but I don't need instructions because we're good. I know how this thing works. I know how we roll. So I'm opening this and it comes with like a pair of gloves, which I shall be using. Comes with some gloves and this thing right here to mix the product, a stick, you know? So first things first, you take your gloves, you slide them in. If I can open them. They need some tiny ass gloves, golly. I got man hands, chill. Slide them in. Oh my gosh. Thought I just ripped it. Now you slide them other ones in. Sheesh. Oh my gosh.
Boy, if you don't get...
We have the cream relaxer here and the activator. So we're going to be putting this yellow thing and this white thing and making it work. So you shall open it. There's the seal. You rip that shit off. There we go. Back memories. Then you take this. You shall open it. These things are strong, guys, so be careful. If you're young, please don't do this at home. This is for the big kids. The big kids.
So you pour it in there. And you take your stick. Hold on, let me find my stick. Golly!
So you take your stick. And this is how it's gonna look. I don't want it to fall. And you just start mixing. Mix it.
Hey, you see that? I see that. Mixing. This is gonna take a while, so like.
I'm done mixing in my product. And it looks like it has a yogurt consistency.
And then you're gonna take a brush. This brush is dirty because I do my eyebrows with it. So you brush your hairs up in an upward position.
There we go. And then
From there, you're gonna take this and put it on your eyebrows. You don't need much on your eyebrows, but this is how it's gonna look. And I'm not looking right into the camera because I'm trying to see how to put this thing on. I need some type of mirror. I don't have a mirror here. So you place it on your eyebrows. You're going to be leaving it on for 5 minutes. No more than 5 minutes if you want your eyebrows to fall out. You know what I'm saying? But all means go ahead. And I'll be back and show you how the results.
well, after the 5 minutes, you're gonna take a makeup wipe and wipe most of it off. What? Y'all see that? Okay. I thought my hair fell out for a second. I was about to cry. Okay. What? Get into it. Wipe the excess off. And then I'm going to go wash my eyebrows real quick after you wipe the excess. Wow. Do y'all see the difference? Hold up. What? Wow. Okay, I'm gonna rinse it off real quick. It feels so smooth.
What the
I just
fuck?
realized that I didn't tell you guys is that for the relaxer, you didn't have to use the whole thing. Now I'm gonna have to throw it out. But I should have took a little bit of the cream relaxer and a little bit of the liquid and put in another container and mix that up to put on my eyebrows. Cause I could have had leftovers for the next time I perm my eyebrows. But now I just have to throw it away because you can't just like leave chemicals just sitting there if you already mixed them completely. Sorry for that. Played myself. I played you guys. But it's all good, you know what I'm saying? It was $4 at the Family Dollar, but with tax it was like, let's just say 5, you know. But I'm going to trim them and show you guys the end results. But this is how they look. Like I'm really proud. Like wow, like I'm a baby. Like don't talk to me now. I'll be back after I'm done trimming them and tweezing. I'm done, you know, trimming my eyebrows and tweezing them. I use a razor too because tweezing, I be ripping my skin instead of the hair. But this is how it looks like. Y'all, get with it. Get right with it. Get right with you. But like, this is how it looks. Like, I'm very proud of myself. I perm my eyebrows by myself. I fix them up. And now I'm gonna walk out into public knowing like I look good. Like, get into it. Thank y'all for coming to my video and learning how to do your eyebrows, because now you can walk out here and say, I did you right. I did right by you. But I'm out. Like, oh nah.